Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you, again, it's another episode of how I am creating content. And I'm going to be showing you how to, or I'm not showing you how to copy projects in different organizations in Asana, because that is what I'm going to be creating. But in order for me to actually create this video, I actually need to learn how to do it first. For the most part, I know how to do these things. It's just I don't want to do it on a video where I'm stumbling through, because most people don't want to do watch videos like that. They just want it down and dirty, like this is what you need to do step by step. Got it, boom, now I can do it. So what I like to do before making these videos is making sure that I really know what I'm doing. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to figure out how to copy projects from a different organization in Asana. And typically what I normally use is this one right here, organize Asana projects. How about that? Okay, well, alrighty, well, let's go to this site. All right, so I have never used this before. I've never even seen this before. So let me just go ahead and try and figure this out. Transfer project. All right, log in, grant permission. All right, so I'm gonna go from, let's do Asana demo. We'll do, let's do plumbing client. And I wanna transfer it to testing grounds. Just start transfer. Oh, looks like Derek got added. I honestly don't know if he was on it or not. So it works. It looks like it does a pretty good, it copies everything over. A comment is added to everything. That's kind of annoying. Now it's time to do a little bit more testing. Subtask descriptions, attachments. What else can I do? Comments, custom field, due dates. Oh, there's my dog playing with toys again. Oh, she cracks me up. Let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. Oh, look at that. So I guess Derek won't be added. Well, let's go ahead and start the transfer. So instead of giving away what actually transferred over, I'm gonna kind of eliminate that part and just start recording the video. So you'll have to watch the video to see what happens. All right, on to the recording. Hey everyone, my name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today I'm gonna show you how to copy a project from one organization into another. All right, so now all I'm gonna start doing is edit this video. Once it's done, I'll come back. All right, I just finished editing this video, so it's good to go. I had fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and click on that like button, and don't forget to click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos like this or on my Asana tips videos. Thanks for watching.